Ayan. Yung parsley, carrots, spring onions, bell pepper, red and yellow. 6 eggs to guys, as blended. Onions. So ito na lahat guys, yung ating carrots, parsley, onions, onion leaves, bell pepper, red and yellow, at saka yung egg. Mix na natin siya guys sa vegetables. Lagay tayo guys ng Greek yogurt. Ayan, tapos i-mix natin siya guys para ma-combine lahat. Bago natin siya i-wrap. Natin guys ng 1 spoon of mayonnaise. Lagyan natin guys ng pepper, salt, pampasarap, at halu-haluin uli para mag-combine lahat na siya guys. Meron tayong spring roll. So ayan guys, meron tayong 1 spoon. So yan guys, iprito natin siya. So ayan guys, okay na yung ating egg spring roll with vegetables. It's already done guys, our egg spring roll with vegetables.